Hello friends. Today we'll learn to illustrate another colorful flower design using Circle, Pathfinder, Repeat-Radial. Draw a circle. Select the circle. Press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+F, move the selected circle aside. Select both the circle and click on Pathfinder Intersect. Now color grade. Again press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+F, by pressing Shift key drag it down. Select both. Click on Pathfinder -front. Select and go to Object, Repeat, Radial. You may adjust the instances. Select the design. Press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+F. By pressing Shift and Alt key, drag a little bit. Repeat it. Now a beautiful design is ready. Make a copy of it. Select individual design and apply radial gradient. Now another flower design is ready. Also apply different color gradient as you like. Thanks for watching and learning. See you again with a new practical lesson. Keep practicing.